In the last video, we learned about the theme settings configuration in MageNative Mobile App Builder. Let's delve into navigation settings now. At the top, you will find three options: top navigation, side navigation, bottom navigation. Based on language selected while making a Shopify store, the language preference will be shown. You can choose a tab range, anywhere from a minimum of 2 to a maximum of 10 tabs, according to your needs. Additionally, you can enable the Tab View button. Now, let's explore the settings in Tab 1. Here, you'll find a toggle switch. Turning this on sets Tab 1 as your default page. Next, you'll need to enter the tab title. You can easily slide and select the number of tabs required for your project. Moving on to the side navigation. You'll notice Create Custom Side Menu. There's a toggle switch, enabling this activates the side navigation. You'll also see the Show Side Menu icon toggle switch. Make sure to turn this on. Furthermore, there's an option to add a menu card. Within this menu, you'll find three icons. Import Shopify menu. Hide menu group, add a menu. Under the title, Shop, by category, you'll see options for men and women. You have the flexibility to edit and select from multiple icon libraries or even use custom icons. When editing the menu items, you can change the name to suit your needs. Now, onto the bottom navigation. Here, you can create a bottom menu with a maximum of 5 items and a minimum of 3. By pressing the edit icon, you can modify the title and select an icon. There's also a toggle switch, enabling this activates the bottom navigation. Once the bottom navigation is successfully enabled, a confirmation message will appear. You'll have the choice to select an icon. There's an option to upload a custom icon or choose from the icon library. You can select the icon type from all, filled, and outlined. Similar settings are available for other tabs as well. You can also choose from Choose Options, Collections Web URLs, Native Pages, Custom Pages. In the Collections section, ensure to check the Home page. Here, you can select a home page, choose an icon, upload a custom icon, and explore the icon library. In the menu settings, you can adjust the icon color, text color, and background. As you make changes, you'll see real-time updates on the mobile user interface on the right side. Once all changes are successfully made, you'll receive a confirmation message. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the navigation section of MageNative app.